But first, our Shannon Lilly tells us how people are reacting to the court's decision.
Just moved to Monument Avenue about a month ago.
Less than a block away from what's become the epicenter of a civil rights movement, Beth Kreger and her friend Ben Weaver now expect a front row seat to history.
We were hoping history would happen so soon, to be honest.
Both Kreger and Weaver
I think we can look to the future and stop reflecting on the past.
say it'll be a welcome change.
Today is a historic day in Virginia.
Attorney General Mark Herring announcing the news Thursday, a ruling by the Virginia Supreme Court that clears the way for the removal of the Robert E. Lee statue.
The Virginia State Conference, NAACP, celebrates this unanimous decision by the Supreme Court of Virginia.
The ruling comes in two lawsuits that were filed attempting to block the statue's removal after Governor Northam announced his intent to do just that more than a year ago. One of the lawsuits was filed by a group of residents living near the statue, the other by a descendant of signatories to an 1890 deed transferring this monument and circle to the state.
I don't think there's any legal basis for a further appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, but I'll say this, if they try, we will be there to oppose it.
Meanwhile,
I am very disheartened, but I'm not surprised.
Andrew Moorhead with the Virginia Division Sons of Confederate Veterans says monuments like the Lee statue were assets to tourism.
People travel from really all over the world to see the monuments on Monument Avenue. Those are resources that cannot be replaced.
He believes the court's ruling sets a poor legal precedent.
Essentially, the judicial branch has abandoned the law itself in favor of current public policy, which in this case is dictated by mob rule.
But those near the circle Thursday
It's a reminder of a bad part of our history. And not just African Americans, but Americans, period.
think otherwise.
I think the Supreme Court made the right decision. The government can't sign away its powers indefinitely. And the law has to change with the times, and I think that's what's come to roost.